To remove the fabrics from the NextFit Zip convertible car seat for cleaning, start by unbuckling the harness and removing the shoulder pads. Next, locate the tab on the crotch strap pad and push it through to the other side of the harness buckle. Then pull it out the rest of the way to remove the crotch strap pad. Remove the newborn body positioner. If your NextFit Zip has a head positioner, remove that as well. Loosen the harness and adjust the headrest to its highest position. Undo both snaps. Unhook the elastic straps. And carefully pull the headrest fabric up and away from the shell. To remove the seat pad, first, unsnap each side of the backrest panel and pull forward. If your NextFit Zip has Comfort Flex waist belt pads, remove those now. Next, lower the headrest. Locate the zipper pull at the top of the seat and unzip all the way around. Then pull the padding away from the harness release button. And carefully pull the seat pad away from the NextFit Zip. Fabrics can be hand washed using mild soap and water, or machine washed in cold water on delicate cycle using mild detergent. Hang to dry. To replace the fabrics, put the seat pad back onto the NextFit Zip. Secure around the harness release button. Feed the crotch strap through the correct slot. Replace the Comfort Flex waist belt pads if you have them. Pull the shoulder straps and waist belt out from behind the fabric. Zip the fabric back into place. And snap the backrest panel into place. Next, raise the headrest. Pull the harness straps out from both sides. And replace the headrest fabric, securing both the elastic straps and snaps. Put the newborn positioner back into place. And finally, reattach the crotch strap pad. And the shoulder pads.